Hi, today guys, our WALT is that we are learning to balance chemical equations, and I am a guest speaker on Mr. Robinson's Maths and Science channel today on YouTube. Thanks, Mr. Robinson.
No worries. G'day guys, how you going? If you missed today's lesson, we did balancing chemical equations. And to start off with, I'm going to show you how to balance a really simple chemical equation. On this side we have the reactants, so what we're putting in, and on this side we have the product, so what we're actually getting out of the reaction today. And by the law of conservation of mass, what's on the reactants must be the same as what's on the products, because we can't just make something out of nothing. So these need to be the same. And if we have a quick look, the two elements we've got here are carbon and hydrogen, and on this side we have carbon and hydrogen as well. So we look on this side, because we have no number here, we only have one carbon that's there. And if we look at the hydrogen, we do have this little number down here which tells us that there are in fact two hydrogens. If we go over to our product side, we can actually see that there's three carbons by this little 3 here, and that there are 8 hydrogens. So if I asked you if it was balanced, well obviously it's not, because we've got a 3 here and a 1 there, and an 8 here and a 2 there. So what we actually need to do is balance this out. So the way we balance is we use large numbers. So I'll put a big 3 out here, saying that I need 3 times as much carbon to produce these 3 carbons on this side. And of course, if we have a look at the hydrogen here, what number should go there?
Oh, could we put an 8?
We can put an 8 there, but one of the problems is, of course, is that we've now got 8 lots of 2 hydrogen, which would give us a total of 16. So that won't work, because as we can see now, they're still not balanced. So we'd probably be better to put the number 4 here, because then we've got 4 of 2 lots of hydrogen, which gives us 8 hydrogens in total. And now that we can see, we just correct that, we can actually see that both sides of this chemical equation are balanced. So that's balancing very simple types of chemical equations. Now, if you look down the bottom, there'll be a worksheet included that you can, of course, or if you check your Canvas page, you'll find your worksheet there, and you can practice balancing some of these chemical equations. We'll be back with some more complex chemical equations in our next episode.